All right, guys. So this is from my pal Crew. He's got one Sapphire, one Mega, one 18 Topps Chrome Update, and one Bowman Chrome Hobby. All for Crew. All right, you ready? So here is the Sapphire. Yep. Brendan Rodgers, rookie. Austin Meadows, Miguel Cabrera. Andrelton Simmons. Cole Stewart, auto. Brock Holt. Tortuga. La Tortuga. See, doesn't he look like a turtle? That's why they call him that. Daniel Mengden, 23 out of 25. And Arenado. So not the best Sapphire for Crew. Let's do Mega. Mega's easy. Basically just 2 quick packs on Mega. Fado, Victor Mesa, that's a nice card. Forrest Whitley, Morjon, Dane Dunning. Jonathan India, Jimenez, Kyle Tucker, Forrest Whitley, and Dylan Cease. So, we won't talk about that. All right, 18. Topps Chrome Update 18. Chris Sale, Aaron Judge, Rosario, rookie. Mike Trout. Jose Ramirez, Javier Baez, Glaber. Garrett Cole. Mikolas. Wow, look at that, an auto. Juan Minaya. On card auto too. Not even a Juan Minaya. Matt Kemp. There it is. Juan Soto. Nice card. Freddie Freeman. Dylan Cousins, rookie. Machado. Kemp. Ozuna. McCutchen. And last pack. Devers and a Devers rookie. All right, so that was better. All right, last box. Bowman Chrome Hobby. Oh yeah, what did it go for? It was sponsored by Depends. Was it really? You're making that up. That's funny. So what did the orange Toto go for? I'm dying to know. Gorman? Forrest Whitley? Austin Riley, rookie. Wander Franco. 400. That's not bad. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Del Rosario. Kikuchi rookie. Peyton Henry refractor auto. 499. They could be. I hit 1 in 3. Jose Devers to 99. That's a nice card. Jose Devers. I hit 1 already. I've only opened 3 of them. So they could be. Nick Senzel, or they just could have gotten lucky. I don't know. Nice. Blake Snell. It's 199. Mauricio. Sam Henches. Kyle Tucker. Tommy Wilson. And last pack. Arenado. All right, guys. So this is from a pal Crew. He's got Tommy Wilson, Sam Henches, Jose Devers to 99, Peyton Henry to 199, Devers rookie Juan Soto. He got a Manaya auto. Glaber, Victor Mesa, Mengden, Tortuga, Cole Stewart auto, and Brendan Rodgers. I thought it was sticky or something. It's just static. It's like, what the heck? All right, XLB, 2 Sapphire and 2 Bowman Chrome Hobby. And then I think that's the last of the personals before we get to the 19 Topps Chrome updates.